Hey guys, Sam from Sam H Nails, and today we are doing the easiest polka dot spring nails ever. We are starting off with a dry base of coconut milk from Dimension Nails, and then we are going to be adding on a nice wet base of the same coconut white polish. I love this white polish, and I know it's slightly blurry. I am so sorry, but I am using a twinkled T dotting tool, and then the other three colors I received from Dimension Nails to just start sporadically adding dots. This is my favorite way to do polka dots. You don't have to worry about them being the same size. You don't have to worry about them lining up just so. I love doing polka dot nails this way. It is so easy, it is so fun and festive for the spring, and these colors just play so well together. Once you are done adding all your little dots, go ahead and use Timeless Top Coat. I am using the brand new scent coming at you for the polish pickup for April. Polish pickup information will be down below, but Cuticula is always a part of it, and I'm gonna spoiler alert, this shit smells amazing. You're gonna need it. So PPU details will be in the description. So will Dimension Nails details be in the description. Get it together, Samantha. But that is it. Super fun, super fast, super easy. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.